Now we're going to start shifting these parabolas from the origin. So you have a table of information and you have the same information in graph form. If you like these formulas to find the focus and the directrix, here they are. I again personally like to just graph these and where's the point at, where's the line at. These down here tell you the same information. You can see your equation for your directrix, and you can see the formula for your focus. One thing you need to be aware is just like with hyperbola, when your equation opens up to the left or opens to the right and to the left, notice that my vertex is out of order. My vertex is still at HK. But in that formula, your H comes second. And your Y or your K comes first. So the vertex is out of order. But if you can just always remember, you're going to go X, comma, Y, then that will be fine. Just kind of be aware of that. Okay, let's plot these as we read it on example 5. And by the way, you can tell the difference between these the same ways, right? You have X squareds versus Y squareds. Positive 4A's versus negative 4A's. So example 5, plot these as we read them. Find the equation of the hyperbola. Nope. Find the equation of the parabola with a vertex at 1, -2, which is not there. Let's try 1, -2. And a focus at 2, -2. Here's my focus. Here's my vertex. So we need to find the equation of this parabola based off of only these 2 points. So first, which formula am I using? Is this opening up, down, left, or right? And look at the relationship between the vertex and the focus. Here, the focus is on top of the vertex, so that's not it. Here, the focus is below, so that's not it either. Here, the focus is to the right of the vertex. Hey, that's what we have here, because over here, the focus is to the left of the vertex. So we're talking about this one here. So I'm going to write this formula. Right here. So we need 2 things. We need the vertex, which is given to me. So here's H. And here's K. The last thing I need is A. And A is given to me from these points here. What's the distance from the vertex to the focus? And that's 1. So when I substitute in, we get Y minus K. K is a -2. So minus the negative becomes Y plus 2 squared equals 4 times A. If my A is 1, this is just 4. And then X minus H, which is 1. Super, super simple. Here is my equation. So now let's graph this equation. Now again, you can use this formula here to find that directrix. If you do H is 1, minus A, which is also 1. So we get X equals 0. But for my graph, I can see that. If I'm going 1 to the right for my focus, I'm going to go 1 to my left. And here is my directrix. at x equals 0. So either use the graph or use this. And then we need our LR points. LR is 4 times A. And my A is 1, so LR is 4. So this gives me my total length. So we're going to take this and divide it by 2 to get 2. So it tells me from this vertex, I'm going to go 2 up. Nope, just kidding. From the focus. From the focus, we're going to go 2 up. And from this focus, we're going to go 2 down. So here we have a smaller parabola. Like that. And so if we look at that total distance going through that focus, it's 1, 2, 3, 4 units in length right there.